Hello, Electro Jeweler Jordan here, and today we are going to drill coral and shells that I found on a recent beach trip, and then transform them into easy-to-make necklaces, a perfect summertime gift or memento. First, I'll be using my Electro Jeweler Jordan drip system. However, if you don't have one, a bowl of water will work just fine. Additionally, my favorite tools for this project are the Electro Jeweler Jordan drill set, product links below, and a strong number 204 motor. While a dremel or flexshaft can also be used, a 12-volt mini motor won't provide enough strength. Check out my video on choosing a rotary tool. We will be using a 1.2 mm cord. Drilling the coral was more challenging than I anticipated, so pay close attention as I share some tips on how to make the drilling easier. Due to its porous nature, drilling coral requires a fast drip or full immersion in water. Now to start, I recommend using a ball burr, which creates a little well for water collection while drilling. A divot of about 2 to 3 mm works perfectly. Remember to keep the bit consistently wet to keep it from burning out. Now after drilling the well, proceed with the 1 mm long bit to drill all the way through. Although I usually suggest drilling from both sides and meeting in the middle, this project initially allows us to drill straight through. Be careful. Coral absorbs water and builds up heat really fast. So, water, 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 and more water. Next, use the 1.5 mm straight bit to enlarge the hole further. And this should take only a few seconds. And finally, open it up with the 3 mm bit. For a neat and tidy hole, when using the 3 mm bit, enter from both sides, meeting in the middle. And then, perform an in and out motion to straighten out that hole. If you don't have a 3 mm bit, no worries. Grinding the inside with a smaller bit in a circular motion can help you to enlarge that hole. I drilled 3 pieces, with the first one taking around 3 minutes and the last one taking just over a minute. Hey, I'm hosting a drill set giveaway. Once we reach 10,000 views, 1,000 likes, and 500 comments on this video, a lucky winner will be randomly selected. Just say hi or leave a positive comment below to enter for your chance to win. Good luck, and let the creativity flow. Now let's rinse off the coral, allow it to dry, and insert the cord. At this stage, your piece is already looking pretty great. And you could even consider stopping here. However, since I love to add a personal touch, let's proceed and drill the accent shells. When drilling the shells, follow similar steps as you did with the coral. Start off with the ball burr, then 1 mm, followed by the 1.5 mm, then the 3 mm. But I adjust the process slightly. I start with the ball burr, but since the shells are small and thin, I drilled a larger, deeper starter hole to make the whole process go faster. Then I switched to the 1 mm bit to drill through, and after that I used the 1.5 mm bit to further widen the hole to almost 3 mm by using a circular motion, and to finish it off, I rounded it out with the 3 mm bit. Now if you do purchase my drill bit set, I'll include a 3 mm bit if you mention this video. Each shell took me less than a minute to drill, but if you're a beginner, don't be discouraged even if it takes you around 10 minutes. You'll get faster in time. Practice makes perfect. Make sure to check out my other videos on gem drilling and electroforming. If you want to support my channel, please check out the links below, and remember, keep on plating and creating.